In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on chess.com in a web browser. If you prefer a dimmer, more comfortable look for your eyes, or you're playing late at night and want to reduce screen glare, chess.com makes it simple to switch between light and dark themes. I'll walk you through 2 quick ways to do it and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, the fastest option is the on-page toggle. Look to the bottom left corner of any page on chess.com in your web browser. You'll see a small toggle labeled Dark UI or Light UI. Click it once and the entire site theme flips instantly. If you're already in light mode, selecting Dark UI will turn on the darker palette across menus, game pages, and settings. If you're in dark mode, selecting Light UI takes you back to the standard look. This change applies immediately and typically sticks the next time you visit, especially if you're signed in. If you don't see the toggle right away, try scrolling to the bottom of the page or reduce your browser zoom just a bit so the bottom left corner is visible. On narrower windows, elements can shift, so making the window a little wider can help. Also, make sure you're on a chess.com page that shows the standard footer and sidebar. The second method is through the Settings menu. From anywhere on the site, open Settings, then select Interface. In that interface section, look for the option labeled Use Dark Mode. Turn it on to enable the dark theme or turn it off to return to light mode. This route is especially useful if you want to confirm the setting or if the bottom left toggle isn't visible on your screen for any reason. When you make the change here, it applies site-wide, just like the toggle, and is remembered for your account. A couple of quick tips. Dark mode affects the overall site interface, but your individual chessboard and piece designs are separate preferences you can customize elsewhere. If the theme doesn't update right away, give the page a moment to refresh, or click to another page on chess.com to see the changes. And if you use browser extensions that alter colors, they can sometimes override site themes, so keep that in mind, and that's all there is to it. Use the bottom left dark UI or light UI toggle for a one-click switch, or head to Settings, then Interface, to manage the Use Dark Mode option. Enjoy your games with a look that feels easier on the eyes, day or night.